Welcome back. We got another edition of working on this damn Jeep. Basically my check engine light is on, and it's because of the gas cap. It says check gas cap. Now, I already replaced the gas cap, so I found out what it is. It's this thing right here that I bought from AutoZone. It's called the evap system, basically. Yeah, it's a fuel evaporator leak pump something. But yeah, basically it's under the car. I'm about to get to it. I'm gonna show y'all obviously the step-by-step on how to replace it. Hopefully that turns it off. If it doesn't, then I definitely know it's the be the purge valve. But both of these doesn't seem hard to replace. We're gonna start with this one. Like I said, I already did the gas cap. See that right here? That's the gas, check gas cap, and the engine light is on. Remember, I had the engine light off for the camshaft position sensor. So boom, that's on. We about to go ahead and hit it. So I was told that it's like back here, basically under the rear wheel well. So obviously we're gonna take out these screws of the wheel well. They like 8 and 10 millimeters. So in a minute. All right, y'all see it is out. You know, we didn't put the canister back on, the ESIM, as what they like to call it. Now, all I gotta do is worry about that TPS, and I'll be good. No lights on the dash. You know, we back and make some more cash.